Hi everyone, welcome to the Having Fun Making Jewelry collaboration, where every month we make some items of jewelry following a specified color scheme, and then there's some options. So this month we were to use autumn colors, parentheses, red, orange, yellow, green, brown. And first option is to use chip beads, which are these. And the second option is incorporate leaf charms. Now, this I did not make for this collab, I'm being honest. This is a piece I made previously, but I pulled it out from my stuff to sell as inspiration. And what inspired me is the gem that was used, which is autumn jasper, and these beads here. Okay, so that's what I used. And I was looking for round autumn jasper beads to go with it, and I didn't have any, but I did have these from Darice, and I had 2 strands of them, so I used all but 4 of one strand, and all I made was these little earrings here, which has the autumn jasper. Now these are real peridot gems, but they're in the chips. And I got them in January 2016. It looks like chip peridot natural, and it was a 36-inch strand. I got that from Fire Mountain. So that's where those came from. I did have some other ones of autumn jasper, and you can see the variation in color. Like these have a lot more green. These have, I was going to use those too, but I didn't. And then I have these pebble beads, and then these sort of oval, and then these large pebbles, and then more pebbles. I have lots of pebbles, so I'll probably be doing a necklace with these soon, or something, or a set. So then I also made this bracelet to go with it, and it's just a simple strung bracelet with the autumn jasper. Now I took the darker ones and I did 2 and then 3 peridot, and then one of the darker ones, and then 3 peridot and 2 of the others, and like that to the end. And then I just crimped it and put it on a clasp I had in my stash that was from jewelrymaker.com some time ago. So yeah, it's a little bit loose on me, kind of hangs down to here, not too bad. So it's probably about a 7 1/4 inch bracelet to maybe 7 1/2, because I think I wear 7-inch sort of snugly. So let me take that off. And I still need to put crimp covers over my crimp beads. But that is the bracelet. So I have these 4 left. And then I did find I had these earring findings, which are posts. And that company I bought them from, eebeads.com, has been out of business for a long time. Sadly, they were an online only store at the time, but they were about 40 minutes away, 30 or 40 minutes away from me. And yeah, it's just a shame. Anyway, I've had them in my stash for quite a while. So that is all I made, and this necklace is for sale. The others I haven't priced yet. It's $40, and it's autumn jasper. It's 22-inch plus the pendant, plus it does have a 2-inch extender, and it's done in gold-plated chains and metals with a lobster clasp. These are glass beads, autumn jasper, and I think these are also glass beads. So yeah, that one is a $40 necklace. The bracelet and earrings obviously would be a lot less. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Please go check everyone else out and see what they've come up with. I had a totally different idea for this month, which I'm not going to tell you, because hopefully I'll be able to do it again if I stop leaving everything to the last minute. So I apologize for that again, but otherwise, yeah. Let me know in the comments below if you are interested in seeing more jewelry videos, because someone made a comment to me that they'd like to see me do more jewelry, and I'd like to see me do more jewelry too, and maybe that would prompt me to get into it more. So let me know if you would like that or not in the comments down below. All right, guys, have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.